Hi everyone, my name is Tony Konecne and I'm the district manager for Hessen House in downtown Des Moines. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hungarian smoked candied bacon using Lola's hot sauce. We use it on our knockout currywurst burger and in our Haus Bloody Marys. So let's get started. We're going to take some thick cut smoked bacon in raw form. For this purpose I'm going to use Lola's fine hot sauce, the original recipe. And then I'm just going to apply that to the bacon somewhat liberally. And then I'm just going to smooth the hot sauce over the surface of the bacon, trying to make sure to pay attention to the tips. Make sure it's well covered. And then we're going to flip it over. And then we're going to add just a little bit more hot sauce. Again, spreading it to make sure it covers all the surface of the bacon. The next ingredient we're going to use is just regular brown sugar. And we're going to sprinkle this over the surface of the bacon. I use about a cup, give or take a little bit. And then you're going to do kind of the same thing. You just pat it out, make sure it gets to all the surfaces, all the way out to the ends. And this is going to go into the oven at about 350 degrees for approximately 11 minutes. We're going to check it. It may go up to 15, give or take a little bit. That's about exactly what we're looking for right there. Now, one of the most important steps of this is to make sure you get it off of the wax paper or the parchment while it's still hot. If you don't do that, you're going to have to start over. We use a Hungarian smoked paprika, and this is what actually gives it that really smoky, kind of earthy flavor. And that is the finished product. It is Hessen House's house-made Hungarian candied smoked bacon made with Lola's fine hot sauce. Make sure you ask for Lola's.